1, 2, 3, 4. YouTubers, this is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing a cool song on the acoustic, Cheap Trick, I Want You to Want Me. This works great on the acoustic. Put a capo on 2 please, standard tuning. Song is in a G shape, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. G major, E minor, 1, 2, D major, 2, 3, C major, back to G. That's the main chords for the verses. We got some tricks in between here, but that's the main chords. So 1, 2. From the G, you want to go down to F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the G, just grab the 2nd fret on the E string and keep your high, pink on the high E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And same thing from C. We want to go down a half step. So that's a B, C over B. So from C, just move 3rd fret to 2nd fret, A string. Keep your 1st finger. F sharp, E minor, D, C, C, and G. Down, up, get up, down, get up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. F sharp to D minor, D major, C, F, B, C, and G. And then for the pre-chorus, we have A minor to A9, 1, 2, or A major to F major, back to G, and then 2nd time E minor, A, F, and E minor. Stay on F. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. It's going to take us to the chorus. The chorus is G major, D major, E minor, let's do the intro too. Starts with the drum, and then the chords are. We got a cool chord here. The bass stays on the root, so we want to grab an F over G to C to G. So grab an F major. That's 2, 1, 2, 3, starting on the B string, and then switch this finger for the pinky. Yes. And grab 3rd fret in the bass. So it's C to G. Probably want to do some muting in the verses. Put your right hand on the bridge. Open up for the pre-chorus. Full strumming on the chorus. Come on, last time. To do intro. Awesome. That's it. That's the form. That's the parts. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be safe. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Thank you.